Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your COOCAA CNTF2NZ TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to select the language from this menu. Now here we can use our D-pad on the remote control to navigate between languages, and if you don't see your language on the screen, you have to navigate to the right and then to the right once again to go to the following page, and here select your language. Once you have selected the language, everything will be translated. Then to confirm, click OK. After that, select your country. Once again, if you don't see your country on the list, just go to the right, and then if you don't see it here, go to the right once again until you find your country. So in my case, here is my country. Let's click OK. And now as an environment, you would probably want to go with home mode. The only alternative we have here is the shop mode, and it is, I don't think it is something you need unless you do. If you do want to change to the shop mode, just press left or right arrow key on your D-pad, and then press either left arrow key to select yes or right arrow key to select no. So to just confirm, using the home mode, click OK on your remote control, and after that we're gonna get to the tuning setup process. So right now, in order to proceed the tuning setup, if you wish to perform such on your TV, you're gonna have to first select the tune type. So we have three options here in the first menu. So we have analog TV. So if you have an antenna connected to your TV, you should go with the ATV. And if you are using an antenna, then all you have to do is connect the antenna before you perform the scan. So right now or previously to your TV. By previously, I mean, of course, before we started this process. So, or if you want to use digital TV, you can either use DTV, or if you want to have both digital TV and analog TV, you can use DTV+ATV option. And then if you are considering using digital TV, you also have to prepare a digital cable plugged into your TV, and the other side also should be connected to your satellite cable or basically other output. And after that, you select your digital type. So we have the satellite, you have digital DVB-T or DVB-C. If we use it, you're using DVB-C, we'll also be able to adjust the scan type. So we have the full scan, which I think is a recommended option, or the network scan. Well, this is rather more advanced for more advanced users who know their network ID, etc., or the blind scan. So I prefer, if you are using DVB-C, then just go with full. I think if in most cases this will be the best option, and then sorting by a local channel network, which I think is preferable unless you want to have channels from other parts of the world, which most probably won't be working in your region. So yeah, I'd rather prefer to select on here. So now once you are ready to perform tuning for either digital TV or digital plus analog or just analog TV, select the respective options here and then click OK, and this will start the scanning process. Now I don't have any kind of cable connected to my TV right now, so just to skip this, I'm gonna press menu. But if you are waiting until your TV is filled with all the channels, then just wait until this status bar you can see on your screen is filled with green color, and once it's done, it will automatically switch you to the channels view. Now, if we press menu key and then left arrow key to confirm exiting, this will drop us to the no signal view of the TV. Now, here, if you want to access the settings, press menu, and here you'll be able to perform the channel tuning. So if you didn't do that previously, then or if you want to switch your channel's source, you can also do it in here. We can also adjust things like picture or sound quality. So all you have to do is use left or right arrow keys to navigate between the tabs, and up and down arrow keys to navigate between options of each tab, and then OK button to select the respective option, the one that is highlighted on your screen. And so yeah, the last tab in here is the setup, or basically the system settings tab. And here we can do things like change language and adjust subtitles, aspect ratio, enable or disable blue screen, or also reset the TV. And that's pretty much it. So right now the TV is fully set up. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.